You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Folks, you're looking at the PECOS offset smoker from Old Country Barbecue Pits, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. And I will say this right here, right now, it is probably the best offset smoker for me. I really did like the Grand Champ from Char Griller, but I'm not going to pay over $700 for that when I can just pay $500 for this. And in many ways it's better. I'll do another video talking about what's better about this compared to that offset from Char Griller. Yeah, this is the best one I can get for me. I don't need anything more. I don't need to spend any more money than what I paid for this. And I don't want to spend something less for something that is less, because I won't settle for that. You all know I don't like splitting hairs when it comes down to buying stuff like this, or when it comes down to mods, let's say that. But I did split a couple hairs here, and here's the first one. You notice that in the first cook that I had a video of. Thermometer, I just think it looks better on there. Do I look at it? Yeah, but what I usually look at more than that is the fire in the firebox. Think about it. Once you get to know your gear, you will know what kind of fire will maintain the proper temperature. You can look at a thermometer all day, all night. It will read hot even though the fire is just about gone, because it's still hot in there, and that's dying down. Enough said there. Here's the other hair splitting I did. It is that baffle restrictor plate, whatever you want to call it. I drilled 1.5 inch holes in there, all the way across. And I did a cook after drilling these holes out, and it did seem to work a lot better. The ugly pulled pork, when I cooked that, there was a major hot spot, like right here-ish, and that was kind of a sweet spot. Well, after drilling this plate, it did seem a little bit more balanced. Now here's where I'm not splitting hairs. I didn't have 10 probes in here measuring the temperature, making sure that this was at 250 and that side was 250 or 225, whatever temperature one would like to have in there. I just wanted something where I could cook on this whole grate, the entire grate. What it all comes back down to is knowing your equipment. It did help having those holes in there, because I did cook some, as you will see here, some. Get ready for it. I did some chicken thighs. I used some Meat Church rub on them. I did some alligator and pork sausages. That's right, alligator. As well as some crawfish pork sausages. Did them all in the smoker. Oh, it doesn't stop there. I did some boudin, and I did that in the smoker, and I could only think of one person, and that was Big Lou Barbecue, and other things he wants to do. And I was chatting with him a little bit on Facebook Messenger this morning. Yeah, how can you do this kind of stuff and not think about Big Lou Barbecue? Yeah, all that stuff tasted pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was fun cooking that stuff. What a good time. This hair splitting mod actually did work for the better. And yeah, I'll probably glimpse at the thermometer once in a while too.